So it has been a good session on the Indian bourses today. I had mentioned even in my weekend forecast for this week, as much as Friday, before the close of trading on Friday, I had mentioned that Wednesday uh, and also Thursday will be both good days. Wednesday particularly, I said it will be very powerful day. Anybody can go back and check my videos. Anyway, I did mention yesterday also, before the market closed, my video was there saying that 10,200, I believe that Nifty will cross today. So it's a done deal. It's tapered off a little bit towards the close, but whatever may be the case, I believe that a strong rally is continuing and reverberating across even Europe. The FTSE, the DAX and the CAC are all up sharply right at this point of time as economies reopen, and there is renewed hope that the reopening of economies will lead to added earnings, and this will reflect in higher stock prices. I personally believe, and this is a slightly contrarian view, that the trading on New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ today will be a little weak. The closing of the Dow will not be as strong, and would not be surprised to see a negative closing for the Dow and the NASDAQ today. As far as the Nifty and the SENSEX tomorrow being, friends, a very important day, being, close of trading, close of options expiration, because that's a weekly options expiration day tomorrow. But on the whole, if you were to ask me, I still think that tomorrow will be another positive day, and across the board, nice day, another very good day. And I would in fact hasten to add that the entire session tomorrow should be favorable for Asian markets and also for the Nifty and the SENSEX. You might have seen that wherever there is a certain turn that is about to take place, I try to mention this in advance. If there's some negativity, some turn, I try to tell you. But I don't see anything tomorrow. Although an options expiration day, and I've told many times that one has to be very wary of this day, because the large operators try to move the markets in the way in which they desire. Yet, in my opinion, I think that the entire session, the way I can see, is pretty neat. Pretty positive day. Would not be surprised to see the Nifty cross 10,250 tomorrow. So that's people who are trying to take positions and in FNO, and I best advice is that best understanding or analysis of the situation is that yes, it will be a positive. Now this is little surprising. People will tell me that if you expected the Dow and NASDAQ to be little negative, or rather have a negative closing today, then how do you expect the SENSEX, Nifty and other Asian indices to be positive and for substantial portion of the time tomorrow? I believe that's whatever. There are many instances where they don't necessarily follow each other, but tomorrow, constructive day for the very constructive and positive day again for Asia, for Nifty, for SENSEX. All should be up. Approximately, you can expect another 100 points, definitely addition, and even more, 100 to 150 points addition to the Nifty. So we should be closing in the neighborhood of 10,300 or so on the Nifty tomorrow. So good day. And tomorrow's Dow and NASDAQ, however, I believe will be a little negative, just like today's session, but tomorrow will be much more negative. So be careful about that. We will come back with another video and explain to you how I try to make these predictions so much in the future. For those who would like to learn in detail, please feel free to WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044, and we will discuss with you the Art of Investing course, which we have the basic course of just 8 days. We have the 2 weeks crash course and the 10 weeks intensive course. So whatever you would like, please feel free and do join the Art of Investing family. We would love to discuss this in detail. Just WhatsApp me and on 9820861044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.